I was 44 years. I answered an ad in the paper. They asking for delivery man, and I was making deliveries for 3 months, and then they need somebody to clean the machines. They offered me more money, and I did.
Who are your customers?
People from 10 to 80 or 90 years old. The people around 90 years old, they use electronic typewriters. And the young kids, they use manual typewriters. The older, two things. They want to look cool. They're nice.
How do you fix a typewriter? Give me an example of some of the problems.
Space bar. The carriage not moving. Backspace. The carriage. You always.
How much does it cost to buy a typewriter here? And you got a pretty good range.
We have from $145 to right now we have a couple machines. The high machine is about $625. Manual typewriters.
How old are they? Some of the oldest.
The oldest about 1930s, a Corona, and Olivetti 1950s.
How does your store survive?
In this economy, man, that's a miracle.